Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how I cut the magnets out to put on the bottom of my watercolor pans. And I'm going to demonstrate using Schmicke gold and silver in their full pan size. So here's my equipment. To open the glue, I use these needle nose pliers. I have a couple of knives, a carpet knife and a Canadian Tire kind of brand of X-Acto knife or craft knife. And I have a permanent marker in a fine tip so that I can really see the marks I make on the paper. As well as E6000, but you could use crazy glue if you would like. So, and I'm using a compass to get a perfect square, as well as this cutting mat so that it can be nice and square, my cuts, and protect my little pink table from any marks. So, go. I'm going to just line it up here. It's not wanting to take that marker very well. Perhaps I should have used pen. Trying to get it just a right square there so that the lines aren't off when I cut this. Nope, not wanting to write. Perhaps I will use the bigger ended marker here. Usually I like little finer lines because they're easier to cut along. Whereas big lines, you can tend to make quite a few mistakes. Not as clean as I would like, but oh well. See, this is kind of a waxy paper that repels all the marker. So now I'm going to cut. Let's see if I can bring a little better contrast for you guys here so you can see. Now I'm doing this because it's a little less painful than using the X-Acto knife. It can kind of hurt me sometimes to try and keep it steady because of my injured shoulder. And let's just see that this is nice and square. Remove this. Perhaps a non-water-based marker would have been better for this. And there you have a nicely cut little magnet. Let's see if it fits. It's a little bit of excess, but not much. Usually after I've glued it, I will cut off the excess. I'm just gonna get that marker. It's permanent marker. It's not wanting to come off. So, and now I will open up my E6000. A little gummy, so I'm going to have to use a toothpick to help get it out and to spread it right. That one is a little messy. There we go. Then get that spread all over the bottom and on every corner, so that it sticks. And then take off your sticker part. And just affix it, and it should be ready probably in a day or so to be stuck inside the palette. If it was crazy glue, it would be fairly instant, but because this is E6000, it's going to take some time. And there you have it, how to stick a magnet onto the bottom of your watercolor pans. So just as an update to the end of my video, I used a, we call it a 4B pencil instead to sketch out the lines for my what do you call it, for the magnet. So yeah, a nice soft pencil will do you just as good a job, and you're not going to get permanent marks from permanent marker on your watercolor pan. So my suggestion is to use one of these when you are marking your watercolor pan to cut it and then to stick it onto, or to stick, I'm sorry, to stick your magnets onto your watercolor pan. And then, like I said, because I'm using E6000, I have to wait about a day for it to dry so the magnet doesn't come off, and I can put it back in my palette like this. Otherwise the magnet's going to come off and you're going to be touching a bunch of glue. Well, thanks for watching. Keep coming and watching my art tutorials and enjoying art together. I'll see you soon. Bye!